السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. رب زدني علما. اللهم فقهنا في الدين. اللهم آمين. Dear kids, the basic terminologies of Arabic grammar have been completed. Alhamdulillah. Today, we will do the revision. First of all, we read about Huruf al-Hijjah, that is Arabic alphabets. These are 28 in number, and according to some, these are 29 in number as they include Hamza as well. We also called Huruf al-Hijjah as Huruf al-Tahajji in Urdu, and in English, we call them alphabets. And in Arabic, these are called Huruf al-Hijjah. Let's see in what order we are supposed to read them. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Thal, Wa, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Za, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Ha, Waw, and Ya. We read the rule of how to change these alphabets from Urdu to Arabic. Let's go through the basic terminologies of Arabic grammar. Let's find out why is it important to learn them. If we want to know the in-depth meaning of the Quran, we will have to study Arabic grammar. In order to learn Arabic grammar, these basic terminologies are a must. Let's revise them. Harakat. Zabar, Zir, and Pesh are called harakat. These three together are called harakat-e-salasa. In Arabic language, Zabar is also known as Fatha or Nasab. Zir, it is known as Kasrah or Jar. Pesh, it is known as Dhamma, Zamma, or Rafa. Mutahharik. In Arabic language, another term used is called mutahharik. Any alphabet with harakat is known as mutahharik. For example, kutiba. In this example, all three of them are mutahharik. Sakun. It is known as jazm. It's always in the shape of a small dal. It is on the letter. It doesn't have its own sound. The letter with jazm will be read by connecting it with the letter before it. Tanween. 2 zabar, 2 zir, and 2 pesh are called tanween. That's how we read it. Un, in, un. The letter with tanween is called munawwan, such as in the word kitabu, the letter ba is called munawwan. In the word zaydin, it's dal, and in the word qalaman, it is mim. Then we read another term known as mushaddad. The letter with tashdid is called mushaddad. It is read twice, one with the letter before it and second time with its own harakat. For example, in the word musallamatu, lam is read with letter sin and then with lam itself. Our next term was lam tarif. Let's understand it now. In Urdu, we read kitab as kitab. And for special book, we have no specific term for it. But in Arabic, kitabu means a common book. But if we add alif and lam to it, and we read it as al-kitabu, then it means a special book and it will mean Quran. Therefore, the name of a common thing will be known as a common noun. And when we wanted to make it special, then we add alif and lam to it, and it is also known as lam-e-tarif. In Urdu, one thing is called wahid, and more than one thing is called jama'. But in Arabic, one thing is called wahid or mufrid, such as kitabu. Two things are called tasniya, such as muslimatanu. And then more than two things are called jama', such as muslimatin. Then there is another term known as muzakkar in Urdu. Male is known as muzakkar and female is known as muannas. Then comes another term known as mutakallim. Hazir or mutakallim is the one with whom you talk directly. The one who is not present and the one about whom we talk about will be known as ghayab, such as he or she. Ism Jama. The letter which apparently is singular but is known for a group such as qawmu and is known as Ism Jama. Then we read about Huruf-e Illat. Alif, Waw, Ya are known as Huruf-e Illat. Illat means sickness. Then we read about Huruf-e Sahi. Other than Huruf-e Illat, all other alphabets are known as Huruf-e Sahi. Silasi Mujarrad. The word with 3 letters are known as Silasi Mujarrad. Hamzatul Wasl. It is that alif which is not part of any word. It is written but not read in continuity, but can be read in any case of waqf. Next is alif mamduda. For example, As-sama. Alif maksura. It is that small alif which is written on ya. For example, kubra. We will read it till 2 counts before because it is mad. Sughra. Mu'arrab. The last letter of the word whose harakat keeps changing is called mu'arrab, such as kitabin, kitaban. The letter ba is mu'arrab. Mabni. The last letter of the word whose harakat doesn't change at all is called mabni harf, such as alladhi because it says the same. Qad will also remain the same. Munsarif. It is that noun whose last letter can have tanween and zair, both such as alijun. Last letter has tanween, so it is munsarif. Ghair munsarif. It is that noun whose last letter cannot have tanween or zair, such as Umar, Uthman. Hamza. Hamza is related to harakat. When alif has any harakat, zabar, zair, pesh, it becomes Hamza. Alhamdulillah, we are done with the revision of basic terminologies of Arabic grammar. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.